Here's a quick video on how to take a function block and use the lookup option to generate, for this case, we'll generate a hot water set point based on a outside air temperature. We can do this in a PID loop also, but sometimes you may want to generate some type of reset set point and use it somewhere else in code that you might not use on the PID loop. So first thing we'll do is we've put a function block in the group. We'll do function type lookup. We'll enable it. We'll go to the properties and we'll calculate in seconds. You might calculate more or less time depending on how fast you needed the reset block to work. We'll just put this for now, we'll put it at 5 seconds. We're going to use a utility block to put our values, our set points, and our min and max temperatures. So that's going to be utility 3, which is what we have in the group. And we're going to start on attribute 10 because I'm using the others. In this case, for the reset, hot water reset, we're going to reset the temperature between 120 and 180. And we're going to check this low limit and high limit. This will actually keep the temperature, the reset temperature, from going above or below what your limits are set up for in the utility. So we'll jump over to the utility block. Attribute 10, which is where we start at, we're going to put 2 in here. That's for the number of pairs we have in our table. So our first value here will be our minimum outdoor air temp, which we'll make it 30 degrees for now. You can change. So at 30 degrees, we want it to be 180. And then at 60 degrees, we want it to be 120. Okay, I missed a 0 there. All right. So we'll take our value and put it in the monitor block just so we can read for demonstration purposes what's coming out. We're going to use a special handle just to simulate the temperature input. So we'll put in 30 degrees and that will take this to 180. And we'll put in 60. And that'll take us to 120. And so any temperature range above 60, it'll stay at 120 because we have our low limit and high limit blocks checked. And anything below 30, we will not go above 180. It is linear in between, so 4523, 45.23 degrees. That'll give us somewhere in the middle, and it'll just go up or down from 120 to 180. So that's how you set up a function block with a lookup option to create a reset. You can use this lookup table for any number of resets. You can use it for, I think we have one here for calculating degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. This will, depending again on what you have in your utility block, your temperature values, which we have at 0 degrees Celsius, we're 32 degrees Fahrenheit. At 100 degrees Celsius, we're 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's how you can use a function block to do Celsius to Fahrenheit. All right, that's the end of the video.